So now it's time to certify it. Let's get a certified modifier, get 0.03. It's certifying outside, like A, shift N. Image even thickness, only rim, high quality. Cool. It's not going as a short, so we're not gonna use the certify modifier. We're gonna do it all by our own. Let's go to the isolation mode. Let's go to the isolation mode by pressing slash. Click on Dios G easy. Then shift click on that vertex SC0. It's all in the same Z axis. Click on the outside edge EY SX stretches outside SY. And now simply make it go as close as possible. Then we're gonna get rid of the excess edge. Alt delete. We're good to go, and that's your trunk. All finished.